a fish that you want to see.
Yeah.
And what's that?
Trilobite.
A trilobite. You have one of those, don't you? And then this is a bit of a mammoth tusk. And this, Alexis, you used to have a little fossil
Yeah,
of that.
I'm pretty sure I still do.
What is it called?
Hi, we are at the Birds of Chrysler. Yeah, and we've got some duck food here, and there's ducks behind us, and they're really loud. And then we were at the gift shop, and we picked more of them, okay, guys? Yeah, and we picked little goodies, and this was $6. And this is my birthstone, Citron. I hope I said that right. And Rowan, what did you pick? Oh, for that. And also a shark tooth. It's real. I'm not kidding. Real. So, and it says that Citron was supposed to be like, was believed to bring happiness, joy, and optimism. It was also believed to attract wealth. The name citron is I can't say that. From the citron fruit, yellow fruit similar to the lemon. It is most commonly found in the
Okay, show me the boy mallard duck. Where's the boy mallard?
That's the boy mallard.
And where's the girl mallard?
That's the girl mallard.
Yeah, how do you know the difference?
That one have. Oh, hey, you're a jerk. Here.
That wasn't nice, huh?
So that's the boy when he's a jerk, and that one is a girl because the one they have the blue head and they have a brown head because the ones they have the brown heads are girls.
Yeah.
The ones that are that one have a blue head, so that's a boy.
A green head, I would say. Yeah, see, that's the girl mallard and the boy mallard.
Okay.
A line of ducks.
Oh, so cute. Okay, I'm feeding it out of my hands now. I'm so scared.
Okay, do it.
So weird.
That's a little family of Canadian geese there.
That one's like that.
And you're hissing. Yeah, I know. You're mad. But we just want to see the babies. Sorry. I know. Yeah, get away from the babies. Got it. Okay. All right. Great horned owl. There's a sleeping one.
So cute.
And kind of awake, creepy looking one.
A burrowing owl.
A burrowing owl.
And we hold one with these webs.
It's a lady, let's see. Let's see.
Hey, Kelly.
Turn just a little there, just like that.
Just with the one hand, but
Well,
They're just getting comfortable. Actually, if you could just wait until I'm holding it to pet it. For now, just hold it, okay? Do you want to put your hand down? You're not allowed to pet him. There, you can hold him just like that.
These are really cute birds. Oh, hi. Is it burrowing owl or?
A burrowing owl, yeah. They live in the holes made by other animals. They can't actually burrow themselves, but they will customize. I think it's a girl. You bring your arm down a little. Come on. There we go. Because if you look at those claws, like they're pretty big compared to some of the other owls. Can you hold that with your thumb? Keep your fingers open for a second.
do the females have bigger claws?
Yeah, they're actually about 20% larger than the males, and they're a little more aggressive too.
A little more aggressive.
A little more ready. You can bring your elbow closer.
Take a little video of that. It's kind of hilarious how they move. Eagles are dangerous. These eagles have extremely sharp talons and a crushing grip with their toes. Please watch children closely. So that means you don't get too close to them, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Can you take a video of me fishing?
Yeah, I already am.
Okay, so we're going to see the eagles now, and they're really, really loud.
Yeah, just.
So this is a bald eagle. His name is Lincoln. He prefers to live in aquatic environments such as rivers and lakes that provide their main source of food, fish. Bald eagles are also known for being scavengers.
Together?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it together. Look at that! We never sprayed a hawk with a water. You just put it under and then it comes up on the screen.
Oh.
So right now you're looking at snake skin. You can maybe focus it a bit.
Yeah. Oh, focus here.
Yeah. And that's what snake's skin looks up really close up.
It says, please don't touch that.
Okay, Rowan, your turn to come pick something. So what are you
get it
picking? Okay, you gotta put it down. There you go. See?
I'll help you focus it a little bit, okay? So there's
That's what a rock looks like. Yeah, you can see a little minerals.
Okay, run my turn.
Okay, Sissy's turn now.
Okay.
So Rowan was running and he tripped and got a couple outies. In your elbow and your hand. Yeah, do you want to show people? No? Okay.
Yeah, he's got a bit of a scrape there, and there, and there.
It's been a pretty good sport about it though. Want to show?
Okay.
Okay, let's see your elbow.
This is my blood.
Let's your blood, let's see.
This is my blood too.
Uh-huh.
This is my eye.
Your outie there.
This is
And let's see your hand.
like that.
And his hand. And then I want his knee. Okay, right there. Is that?
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
I just leave it. Poor little guy.
Wants to eat. Rowan, you think?
Hi.
You thinks you look,
eat me.
you thinks you look yummy.
I think you look yummy.
Here's a female Merlin falcon. It's a pretty cute little guy. Girl, I guess. Snowy owls.
Oh, and poop.
Did he poop?
Yeah, I love
That happens.
I really like the left one.
Yeah, they're both really.
So these two eagles were both found injured, and so they brought them to captivity here, and part of the ring had to be removed, and that would be like for us missing a hand. So yeah, we had a lot of fun here today, and we hope you enjoy this video. So bye.
Say bye, Rowan. Bye. Poor boy.
Yeah,
Oh,
got some scrapes.
Feels good, but it feels a little bit weird.
a little bit weird.
Don't try dipping your fries in ice cream.
I feel like doing it this time.